Circulatory system. Circulatory system is an organ system that passes nutrients and gases, hormones, blood cells to and from cells in the body to help fight disease, stabilize body temperature and pH, and maintain homeostasis.
From here, blood moves through a series of increasingly small arteries until it reaches a capillary, the junction between arteries and veins. Here, oxygen molecules detach from the red blood cells and slip across the capillary wall into body tissue. Now deoxygenated, blood begins its return to the heart. It passes through increasingly larger veins to eventually reach the right atrium. It enters the right ventricle, which pumps it through the pulmonary arteries into the lungs to pick up more oxygen. Oxygenated, blood re-enters the left atrium, moves into the left ventricle, and the blood's journey begins again.
There are two kinds of fluid that move through the circulatory system, blood and lymph. That it's necessary recycle blood plasma after it has been filtered from the blood cells and returned to the lymphatic system. The blood, heart, and blood vessels form the vascular system. There are two kinds of system, open system and closed system. Open system, the blood pumped by the heart traveling through blood cells, so blood cells directly irrigates returning by the different mechanisms. This type of system is present in arthropods and molluscs, but not in cephalopods. Closed system consists of a series of blood vessels which, without leaving them, travel blood. The material carried by the blood reaches tissues through diffusion. Pros and cons. Pros: blood can flow much faster through these vessels than intercellular space, and so allow faster transport of nutrients and waste to and from tissues then, and can selectively direct blood to specific tissues. Cons: a balanced osmolar in the third space depends on primary way to form an system. The application in medicine. Used in medicine, radiotherapy, for example, sodium 24, which injecting into the bloodstream has a saline solution, may be monitored to track the flow of blood and to tell constriction or obstruction of the circulatory system.
The heart is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. The heart is typically the size of a fist. There are 4 chambers in the heart. The 2 upper chambers are known as the atria or the atrium, and the 2 lower chambers are known as ventricles. The partition between the chambers helps to avoid mixing up of the blood rich in oxygen and the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide. The blood flows from the heart to the lungs and then back to the heart, from where it is pumped to the rest of the body.